Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running. Nothing.
Si Bella, we've been waiting for Bella for 11 years. So, we were married 2013, trying since then, pero hindi siya dumadating. And then, when finally parang okay na, sabi namin baka hindi para sa amin, pero ayun, unexpectedly, binigay pa rin siya after 11 years.
Go! All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Tingin ko sa kanya, maka-daddy. Kasi every time nagaling ako ng work, pagka nakita na niya ako, talagang di na niya pinapansin mami niya. Puro, pagka sumama siya sa akin, wala na kaming wala na kaming bitawan.
Now we finally see we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful.
Sobra, kasi although binigay siya sa amin in a later age na, syempre hirap na maghabol pag tumatakbo na yan and all, pero from the beginning kasi feeling ko yun yung purpose ko in life eh. And I wanted it.
Na yung wife ko na nagtatanong siya bakit parang antagal naman. Ang lagi ko lang sagot sa kanya, huwag kang mainip. Kasi pag ibibigay siya talaga eh. Kasi sabi ko, siguro, hindi pa time.
With our hope in the clouds, we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now.
Hi Bella, anak. Happy birthday. Happy first birthday. I wanted you to know that you are always have been wanted. We've been waiting for you for 11 years. And mommy and daddy will do everything for you. Kahit na medyo dumating ka, may edad na si mommy at daddy, will still try to be strong for you. And sana lumaki kang mabuting bata at may takot sa Diyos. And always know that you are mommy and daddy's treasure. We love you so much, baby.
Here we go. All we need is an open